In this video, we're going to talk about optimizing your ads and your website for mobile traffic. My name is Tracy Reuter. I'm the CEO and founder of Divine Social. We are a Facebook and Instagram advertising agency specializing in all things social traffic, and this channel is dedicated to helping you maximize your social advertising. Okay, so let's talk about mobile. So this is why mobile is so important. We're getting to a point where almost 70% of all digital sales for e-commerce stores is coming from mobile. Now this is happening in mid to late 2019, and we're fast approaching that 70% mark. So it's just gonna get bigger and bigger over time. And so mobile is incredibly important. You see, there was a time where what would happen with shopping behavior is people would find out about stuff on mobile, and then they would go to their desktop and they would make their purchases on desktop. So what's happening is there's been a massive shift where more and more people are actually making their purchases on their mobile device. So this has massive implications for your business, for your social advertising, and more. So let's talk about a few things that you want to do to be able to optimize your business, to be able to have effective advertising, especially with close to 70% of all digital sales happening on mobile devices. Okay, so number one, you want to make sure first and foremost that your pages, that your sales funnels, that your offers are mobile optimized. This is hugely important. That's first and foremost. And you know, I can tell you that we are guilty of this at times where we're so accustomed to being at our desk and working at our computer that when we look at clients' funnels, we tend to look at them at desktop first. But we've had to get in the habit of immediately going to mobile and looking at it on the mobile device. You need to always be looking optimized for mobile first, more so than desktop. So that's a big shift. So number one, are you optimized for mobile? Number two, are you, in addition to being optimized for mobile, are you optimized for the shopping experience on mobile? Think about it. Things like having PayPal as an option, easy access for people to put in their credit card information. There's little things that you can do, whether it's on your Shopify store, on WooCommerce, or whatever it is that you use. But be thinking about not just the layout, the mobile optimization layout, but also be thinking about the actual process of purchasing. That's huge. You want to make sure that's set up as well. The other piece is where are you running your ad traffic? Where are you focusing it? Now, quite often what we find is that if we run all of the traffic for a client on mobile devices, we can maximize the spend or the results, or we can maximize the cost, the CPM numbers. So what you want to be doing is you want to be looking at, as you're looking at your ad results, you want to be breaking things out and looking to see what's converting on desktop, what's converting on mobile, and make sure that you're shifting your ad spend appropriately, because you might be spending way too much money on desktop when the majority of your sales are actually coming through the mobile channel. And that's a very little tiny thing that you can do that can make a huge difference. So I'm gonna leave you with this. Ask yourself, are you ready? Am I ready to have up to 70% of all digital sales happening on my mobile channels? Are my mobile channels ready for that? Is my experience, is my customer experience positive? Are my ads optimized to run to mobile traffic? Are my landing pages optimized for mobile? It's hugely important, and it's just gonna get more and more important as we reach 2020, 2021, and beyond. So with that, go right now, go check all your sales pages, go check your offer. How does it look on mobile? What's the experience? And if you haven't gone through your own mobile checkout process in a while, do it and see, because we sometimes get so close to our offers and our stores and what we're doing that we forgot what the actual experience is like for the end user. So definitely take some time and do that. View it with a fresh set of eyes to make sure that you are poised to take advantage of this incredible shift to digital sales coming through mobile. You'll be glad that you did. You'll be ready as it gets bigger and bigger. With that, my name is Tracy Reuter. The best is yet to come, and we'll see you next week.